Gary, I feel like pre-measuring is now part of the process or needs to be part of the process for most repairs. As we do it, do you guys do that as well?
We do. Actually, we've incorporated tools like this Pointex that is very easy to use to make those determinations to whether or not there's any structural movement on the automobile. We've done it with our blueprint technician so that it's not dedicated to a specific area. That blueprint is done wherever that blueprint is done. It's not in the structural bay, it's just where we do the blueprints. It's enabled us to be able to take that data that we get from this to Pointex, tools like Pointex, compare it to the OEM data spec, so we're able to tell where that energy travels, if any energy travel, and how much it has moved.
Do you feel like things are discovered during pre-measuring that might not be discovered during the repair process?
That's a good point, and exactly what that's all about. You want to catch it all up front. Try to get it to where the negotiation process is already identifying that piece of it. Always either come up front with it than catch it at the back end. Delays otherwise.
And us personally, we actually don't have a structural technician do our pre-measuring. We do it during the check-in process, so it's either the estimator that's doing it, or sometimes even during the pre-wash, we do have a detailer doing it with the specifications. What do you guys do?
That's a great way. Like I say, our blueprint technician actually handles that piece of it. So again, it's a very easy to run. These tools are very easy to run. It enables us that ability of seeing it up front.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.